Hi boys and girls, hope all of you doing good. I'm Miss Armanius, a program leader for ICES Education After School Program, Hassan School District. Today I'll show you how to do a cardboard marble labyrinth, and let's start. We're gonna use scissor, glue, hot glue, but don't use it by yourself. An adult should help you. Quarter, 2 marbles and cardboard. For the cardboards, I cut 2 big rectangle and 3 height inches for sides and 1.5 inches for sides. And I cut the small pieces here for the maze. First, I'm gonna use the glue to glue each part here from the sides. I cut a small square here so the marble can go out. Now I'm gonna start glue each side into the base with the hot glue. Remember, use the hot glue with an adult. Don't use it by yourself, okay? Be safe. Here I finished the first one. Before I do the second one, I will draw circles with the quarter and lines for the maze. Then I'm gonna cut the holes up. Here how it looks after I cut the holes and draw the lines. Now I'm gonna turn it upside down and I'm gonna glue the sides. After gluing the sides, I'm gonna glue the small pieces where I drew the lines. Now it's ready to put them together. Here. And ready to play with. It's so fun. Try to do it. Bye.